Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add Zelle or Cash App as a payment method in Shopify. Before we begin, it's important to know that Zelle and Cash App are not built-in Shopify payment gateways. They can only be used if a supported third-party payment provider or app offers them in your region. Availability depends on your country, the payment provider you choose, and your Shopify plan. Now let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin, go to Settings. Then click Payments. Here you'll see your current payment providers along with the option to add additional payment methods. Scroll down to the Additional Payment Methods section. Click Add Payment Methods. Use the search bar to look for a payment provider that supports Zelle, Cash App, or similar payment options. You can search either by the payment method name or by the payment provider. If a supported provider appears in the search results, select it. Then click Activate. If the provider requires an app, click Install App. Wait for the installation to finish. Next, sign into your payment provider account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Complete any required verification steps and grant Shopify permission to connect with the payment provider. Follow the provider's setup instructions to configure your payment settings. Once the setup is complete, return to Shopify and finish activating the payment method. After activation, the payment option will automatically appear during checkout for eligible customers. If you don't see Zelle or Cash App in the available providers, it means Shopify doesn't currently support them directly as standalone payment gateways in your region. In that case, you may need to use another supported payment provider or check the Shopify App Store for compatible payment apps that offer similar functionality. Before accepting live customer payments, place a test order to make sure the payment method appears correctly and completes the checkout process without any issues. Also remember to review any transaction fees, supported countries, payout schedules, and account requirements before choosing a payment provider. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.